An official hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene Town, your chronic illness bestie, and if you're here for health, fitness, mindset, manifestation, getting your dream life and dream body in 2023, then you've made it to the right place. Go ahead and like and subscribe so that you don't miss another video just like this one, and let's jump right into this video. All right, you guys, so we actually just got back from our walk. It started raining on us, and now it is really raining, so please excuse the beauty that is my hair. So it's Saturday and it's February. It's the beginning of February. It's like February 3rd. It's about this time that 85% of people give up on their health and fitness lifestyle that they started in January, which used to be me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, especially as somebody with chronic pain and chronic illness. The winter time, like December, January, my body is always like in the fall and into the beginning of the new year. I don't know if it's the cold. I don't know if it's like seasonal depression that kicks in. Like, I don't know what it is, but my body goes into more flares this time of year. And so my motivation to do really intense workouts all the time is really, really low. So what I did in January was I did a bunch of yoga. I did yoga with Adrian. I did a 2-week challenge with my business coach. And there were weighted workouts, yoga workouts, meditation. It was really lovely. And then I, of course, mixed in a little bit of Sydney Cummings Howdy Shell workouts because I just love her. I love her training style. She's really motivating. I feel like I can push hard and dial it back. And like, I just get the best workout because I love training with her. And then just walks. 30 minutes of movement, that's my goal every day, regardless if that's a walk, if that's yoga, if that's playing, chasing my kid. Like, I just want to have an active lifestyle. Last year, I decided I don't have body goals anymore. Like, I don't think that there's anything wrong with having body goals and like wanting to hit certain achievements and goals and stuff. And I'm sure I will have them again. I'm just trying to heal my personal relationship with health and fitness. And I'm moving because I love my body and I'm choosing things that I love to do every day, right? So sometimes it's a walk, sometimes it's lifting heavy weights, sometimes it's just playing with my kid at the park. You know what I'm saying? And because of that, I stay consistent. Like, that's how I stay consistent, because my goal is just 30 minutes of movement and I don't have a goal attached to that. So there's no feeling of failure. Does that make sense? So whereas a lot of people who start their new health and fitness lifestyle, they go all in on, eating really healthy and going to the gym 5 days a week or whatever your goal was. And then either they get tired and they take a rest day and then they think, oh my God, I took a rest day. I'll never come back from this. It's like, yes, you will. Everybody needs rest days. Right now, I'm actually playing with a split of like 3 heavy weighted workouts a week. So I've been doing like an arms and abs, a leg day, and a full body day. And then I've been doing walking and yoga in between. And I want to see what it does for my body. Because as somebody who has chronic pain and chronic illness, like, my body doesn't recover as fast as normal people do because my immune system is lower than everybody else's, right? Well, except all my other chronic illness besties, love ya. But if you do have psoriatic arthritis or chronic illness, let me know in the comments down below if it takes you longer to recover, and if you give yourself more rest days, do you feel like your gains are better? I want to know. Like, let me know, because that's what I'm testing out right now. So today is supposed to be a full body day, but if I'm 100% honest, like, I'm starting to lose my motivation. Like, honestly, it's a couple days before my period and I just haven't slept really great the last couple nights. And so I'm a little bit more tired, and I could honestly consider my walk today. We ran half the time because we were chasing Liv on her bike. But what I'm craving right now, and like what I've been wanting to do the last couple days, but I'm like, no, I'll do that another day, whatever. I just want to do some abs and cardio. Like, that's all I'm feeling right now. I was going to do a full body day with Sydney, and I think I'm just gonna create like my favorite workout. And then after, I'm gonna like reorganize my office and do some self-care, which I think we're gonna put in the next video. Like, I'll film that as well, but that will be coming next, how I take care of myself. And honestly, this is me taking care of myself, because when I create my own workout, like, I can put as many things on a list as I want to, and I'll just stop when I'm done. You know what I'm saying? So let's jump into a quick workout. It's not gonna be very long, probably 10-15 minutes, because we just did a good 1.5 mile walk jog, which was really nice. And then I'm gonna reorganize my office because I really want to make the flow of my office a little bit better. I put my desk in front of the window because I love love it. I love the light coming in on my desk. Like, I love being in front of a window. But the problem with it being over here is that this is also where I work out. And so I have like this whole big empty space over here, and then my workout space, I have to like move my chair, and it's just the flow isn't as great. So I think I'm gonna move my desk back over into this corner and just hope that Doug will redo the lighting in my room. Fingers crossed. He will, he'll totally do it. It's just, he needs time to do it. That guy's always busy. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna plan out a quick little workout on my Remarkable, and let's do some abs and cardio together. And also, you guys, stay tuned because I'm actually putting together some workouts for a fun special secret project that's coming up. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys join me. So I will put this like abs and cardio as a workout, and then we'll just see how much I get done today. And then I'll test out the full thing another time. Don't forget, if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump into this workout. If you guys don't have a Remarkable yet, get on it. They are the best. I love mine. Let's see. I actually want to create a new, oh, I already have a folder for it. Yay. Perfect. Let's just make a new workout. Day 5. We're gonna do abs and cardio. All right, you guys, so we'll jump into this as soon as I'm done writing out my workout and finishing my coffee. I normally don't drink 2 cups of coffee, but I woke up at like 2:30 this morning just because I couldn't sleep. So 2nd cup just was necessary today. And honestly, on rainy days, I just want a nice warm cup of coffee. Anybody else? Okay, for reals though, let's get into this. All right, you guys. So I've got 2 circuits that we're gonna go. I think I'm just probably gonna do 1 today because we'll see how my energy levels are. But my goal is to just do 1 circuit 2 times because I really wanna jump into reorganizing this office and I really wanna take a shower. I got my hair done on Tuesday and I haven't washed it yet. And my scalp is ready for a wash because most of my psoriasis, I have psoriatic arthritis, psoriasis, and arthritis together. And most of my psoriasis is on my scalp, so it's time to wash my scalp. But I'm gonna just throw on some fun music and let's jump into this workout. All right, you guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation and inspiration to keep up with your health and fitness lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself every day. And if you fall off track, that's okay. Just pick up the next day or pick up at the next meal. You don't have to be like, okay, well, I ate something I shouldn't have eaten for breakfast, so screw it, I'm just gonna like ruin the rest of the day. No, if you're like, okay, I ate something and maybe it didn't make me feel good or whatever the reason that you're like upset about it, okay, whatever, at your next meal, have a healthy meal. Continue on with your day in a healthy lifestyle manner. You know what I'm saying? If you skipped a workout, fantastic. Change the mindset. Love yourself for taking a rest day and letting your body heal and your muscles repair. And then go for a walk the next day or pick up and do a workout that you really want to do, okay? Just do something that you love. You're doing a great job. Keep going. That's what this is all about, okay? just little baby steps towards our goals every single day, right? As long as we keep putting one foot in front of the other, you're gonna get to where you wanna be, right? It's not about how fast we get there, it's about the journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you guys watched to the end of the video, comment down below what your favorite workout is on your days that you're feeling unmotivated. Do you go for a walk? Do you throw on your headphones and do like a crazy heavy weighted workout? I wanna know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.